glass through a pillow. For this you have to take anything you like rubber, pencil, etc. But I'm going to do this with a coin. And now let's start. First, put a coin here. Now you can see a glass on a coin, and you can move it. Now you can see that a coin is inside a glass. You have to take any type of paper you like, or to cover this. I have this paper. Now I'm going to cover this glass very tightly from every angle. This is not a special paper, you can take any paper you like, but always remember one thing, that you have to put a coin or anything you have in the center of the pillow or table or whatever thing you are doing this magic. Now putting a glass here. Now 1 2 3. There is only a coin.